G'day, how are you? My name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the two founders of the Business League. Super excited about you coming to our breakfast on Wednesday the 5th of December. If you've been before, welcome back. If it's your first time, we're looking forward to welcoming you. The Business League is a community of business owners that are working together to connect, develop and grow their businesses. And we believe that amongst the 85 members, that if they're all doing that, they're going to have a ripple effect throughout their communities and make the Gold Coast a better place for all of us. December's our celebration month. We have a Christmas special. It's a lot of fun. There's some games, there's some prizes, there's meeting heaps of awesome business owners, and we'll take care of you. So turn up at between 6:30 and 7. There's some free networking time before we kick off at 7 o'clock, and we run all the way through to 9 o'clock. People hang around after the breakfast and do more networking, so don't feel like you've got to rush off. When you get into Bond, there'll be a map in the emails that we send through. There'll be somebody to meet you at the registration desk and introduce you to a couple of our members or people in the community. But all you need to know is if you want to wear some Christmas stuff, earrings, hat, whatever it is, we'll be dressing up a little bit, but having some festive fun. Let me know if you've got any questions by hitting reply. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday the 5th of December. Please come and say hello.